Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm very glad that you are still watching me, and if you are watch in the first time this video, I really suggest you to watch my previous video. The link will be here. Okay, let's get started. I'd like to remind you that yesterday I have made a lot of job with remove the fence and create like I cut the wood. Yeah, you know, today I'm gonna to cut all of this wood and create, the special size of this wood in order to it would be proper to burn down in the furnace. Yeah, and first of all, I have to. I don't remember how it. So maybe, yeah. So just give me a second. Yeah, I remember this word correctly. Uh, this is a saw, and yesterday I started cut all of these timbers, but today I have to refill the petrol, and first of all I have to mix the petrol or gasoline and the special oil. I don't know why, but this is I have to do it because who create this saw highly recommend to don't use only the don't use only the petrol. Hello, cat. Hey. Yeah. Hello. This is not my cat. This is the cat of my neighbors. But she liked to visit me, and we call him Pasha. I don't know why, but my nephews call him in this way. Yeah, I very like life in the village because you are very close to the nature, and you have opportunity to encounter a lot of the animals, a lot of the plants to grow, to touch the earth. This is a very a very unique opportunity. Yeah. Okay, let's get started to refill my saw with gasoline, with mixture, gasoline and oils. Okay. Yeah. Uh, and first of all, I have to, I have this bottle with special volume. I don't know, volume or yeah, and I have to fill half liters here and then add some oil. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I don't know why, but my SEO doesn't work anymore. I can start engine, and yeah, I think I have to break my job to cut, and I would like to show you what I've done. This all what I did, yeah, and this is what's the rest of our timber, our wood. Luckily I have a lot of other job, and I think I can change my job. That's it. Maybe I will can repair my shoe, maybe not, we will see. And now I think I'm gonna to repair my gates. I think you remember that someone broke my gate. Stop! 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 And now I have to repair. Yeah, he bought this piece of shit, and now I have to put in the proper place all of this shit. Yeah, I'm gonna to cut this shit, and because it is too long, put in the on the gate, in this hole, to cover this hole. In order to cut this sheet, I have to use the first of all, this is one circular saw, helmet to protect my head, goggles to protect my eyes, here gloves, and what else, to screwdriver to create a line where I should to cut, and what else, and measurement line, I think, yeah, like a ruler, I think, yeah, and type measurer, yeah. And let's get started. Yeah, I've cut it, but not so good, I think. Yeah, you can see that at the bottom not so straightforward, but it doesn't matter for me because I put this side to the low part, and this manufacturer cut will be, yeah, on the highest point. That's why it will be fine, I guess. Okay, now I have to repair this one. You can see this is, yeah, he's broke down this one. I think I should repair here as well. Yeah, I think I just create a join. Yeah, now I'm gonna to put together two pieces, this one and this one, and I'm gonna to use the special tools. This welding equipment, these electrodes, yeah, and this is personal protection equipment, like gloves, special gloves with fire resistance, and this one is a special helmet. You know, this is protect my eyes from the sparks, and this is special, has a special glass, like if you can watch to the sun, this is very shine, but if you use this one, it won't be so shine, right? Perfect, right? Yeah, special glass. Okay, let's do it. Oh, and just one thing, you know, just one little lesson for the welding equipment. This is a welding equipment consists of two wires, one of the wires plus, one of the wires minus, and one of the wires we join to the metal, and for the second we we join the electrodes to the another, and then when they the circle, you know, create the some I don't know how to say, short circuit, I think, yeah, you know, this create sparks, create a lot of energy, and the metal started melt. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Now now everything now everything is ready to put to the gate, and I'm gonna to take this sheet and put to this gate, and I use this screw, and I try to put here and here and here, of course. Okay, let's do it. So I have done it, and you know, a little bit surprised, because I haven't expected that the color of this two sheet will be different. I think you will see the difference between, yeah, yeah, it's not so nice, I think, but it will be our special side, special gate. For me it's okay. It's pretty fine. Okay. Today I decided to, you know, finish all of my job. I mean, I repair my gate. I cut some amount of wood, and because of my saw was broken, I decided to finish today my job, and tomorrow maybe I will start again. First of all, I have to come up with, I have to find out what's the reason to broke my my saw. And today that's it. Thank you for watching me. Please thumbs up this video, and subscribe to my channel as well. And if you like this video, please write something in the comment below. I wanted to know your feedback of this video. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Kızıl ürük tügilgendey, Qoraş şaşın urilgendey, Senin nurla yüzlerinden Günge yaktı sibilgendey. Kızıl ürük, Seyip kaldım ben seni kuruk. Kızıl ürük, Yürüm hazır Mecnun gibi. Kızıl ürük,